Lovely people, let's see what happens when I go in this Dollar General. I'm trying to do this 2 off of 10, and my deal better work. I'm be pissed off. Now, first, we're going to shout some people out in this video. My coupon buddy, Crystle, you know who you are. She is actually the one that sent me One Cute Couponer's video. I'm subscribed to One Cute Couponer, but I hadn't seen the Dollar General video. So thanks to Crystle, thanks to One Cute Couponer for showing me how to do this deal. All right, so let me tell you what I got. So what I got in my first transaction, lovely people, was the Suave. The Suave has a new Professional's natural hair care line, okay? These are 2 shampoos. They're priced at $5 each. I use that clip to card, buy one, get one free coupon. Plus, there was a 2 off of 6 Suave coupon. And the 2 off 10 coupon is what you're going to clip. You're going to go in, you're going to have those clipped, you're going to get them to ring these up, you're going to let them hit total, then you're going to type in your telephone number, your coupons are coming off, and then easy peasy, your subtotal is going to be $1. Your tax is going to be whatever your tax is in your area. I paid $1. There you go. Great, great deal. Okay. I was really curious to see that the Suave was going to work because I wasn't sure about the combination of using those 2 coupons, but it worked for One Cute Couponer, so it worked for me. I was glad. Next deal that I did, lovely people, was a really simple deal as well. You're going to click the 2 for 10 coupon, you're going to click the Frito-Lay coupon, and you're going to click the Oreo coupon. What you're going to get is going to be, you're going to get a Pepsi, and you're going to get this liter size, the 1.25, okay? And you get a Frito-Lay chip. I decided to get this $2 Munchos because I didn't want to spend a lot out of pocket, okay? And the family size Oreos. Now, One Cute Couponer said to get the family size, so I got the family size because I wanted to follow the deal to the T. I didn't want my stuff jagging up. So I did 2 of the family size Oreos. And of course, it went off without a hitch. It was fine. Let's get the receipt. So there you see the Munchos for $2. All right, the Oreo. You see it says digitals, the Pepsi. My subtotal was $2.50 for that second transaction. Here is the receipt for the first transaction for the Suave. And you see everything came off and my subtotal was $1. So, it's dark in here. Okay, lovely people, I had to draft my husband Richard so I could use his car for Dollar General. I'm probably going to make the twins do it too so I can get some more stuff.